Alright, a quick update. I was just thinking how there's nothing more beautiful than a clear 5-wave move. As you can see, it gives you some sort of confidence, and a similar thing happened here. So that's really not the point of this video. The point of the video is whether or not is rather to ascertain what count we have. So my primary count is that this is like an expanding diagonal, and then a flat correction in 335, and then a 1 2. Let me go to 5 minute. Yeah, so on green we have 1 2, so it's another 335, and then we have 1 2, we have 1 2, and we have a 3 here, and then we have a 4 here, and our 5 is 1 2 3 4 5. Although this 4 is larger than this 2, so it looks a bit strange, and this 4 is more similar in size to this 2 from the green 2. So I also have it as an alternative count of 1 2 3 4 and then 5. Then I have the other one, which is purple, which is 1 2, and then 3 is above here, with 4 being here. But I'm leaning more towards green, because this, if it were purple, then this 4 is way larger than this 2. But if it is green, if it is the green count, then it means that this 4 we have here is actually white wave 4, which is more similar in size to white wave 2. So I'm going with that for now. It's the less bullish approach and the more cautious one. So I'm expecting a WXY, so I'm seeing 535, and then a 3 before another 535 to the downside. Primary reason for that is, number one, we hit the 100%. We hit the 100%. This is 61.8, and then this is 100 right here, so we hit that. But we still have not, like, I don't see any signs of a proper, like, reversal. I don't see any proper 1 2. So if we go below here, I've moved my stop losses to here so that I'll make at least $1,000. If it moves below here, then I'll be hoping that I can sight another 1 2 like I did at the reversal of wave 2. So this is wave 4. I should also be able to sight another 1 2. So if we go below here to confirm my theory of a WXY, so this would be W, so it would be 535 for W, and then any 3, which I'm counting as 1 2 3, as any 3, and then I'll expect another 535. The 50% fib level is here, so I see that there's room for us to come down to the 100% extension, which is exactly at that 50 level. So maybe we'll have that WXY sharp. It also follows the law of alternation, because this was a 335 flat, so this will then be a sharp correction. So let's just see what happens. I think there's also the fact that it could be a 1 2 3 4, maybe as a triangle, and then a 5, and then we come back up. But I'll just keep watching that. I will keep it in mind, but if we break below here, then I'll be looking for signs of a reversal, and I'll be cautious, because if in fact it is going to be a 1 2 and then 3 and all of that, then I'll need to be very careful with my long trade that I want to place from here if I see any signs of reversal, because it could just hit the 61.8 and then reverse on me. So I'll just need to be careful and take both sides into account. So yeah, that's it for now. Looking like we will break that level, but who cares? I have gotten my goal of 1,000. So yeah, from about $70 to $1,000. Not too bad. It pays off. I was already in debt of $695, so this is basically just $300 profit. But I mean, yeah, I've been able to, with at least to some level or to some degree, I've been able to get a hang of the Elliotwave theory, or will I say master the Elliotwave theory to some degree. Oh, I almost forgot that we would also be having that A, B, C, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could be having that, but who knows? So yeah, I mean at this point maybe we're even not going to have a flat correction. Yeah, we might be in that major wave 4. That is the purple wave 4. So this could be 1, 2, then we have a 3, or maybe, sorry, it could be an A, then a B, and then a C. It might get here, or it might come below, who knows? Running flats are quite rare in my experience, so maybe, yeah, so we might have that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then a 5. But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. We can't do much until the market tells us what it wants to do. So let's keep watching. Yeah, something I just noticed is retailers might be seeing this as a head and shoulders. Well, not talks of the head and shoulders, but I'm already seeing talks of a double top. I mean, at least wait for it to come down here before you begin to speak of a double top. And I think this is where the Elliotwave excels. We don't jump to conclusions. Okay, we're already breaking below that thing I was drawing for a triangle. So the Elliotwave doesn't, where they see patterns is where we see 1, 2s. So I remember when people were calling it head and shoulders, but for me it was a wave 1, 2, and I was able to get in around 4 to 24. And then them who would be looking at it as an inverse head and shoulders, they would have to wait for a breakout and then a retest. Meanwhile, I would be able to get it for down here. So I think the Elliotwave is better at things like this. So yeah, we're definitely going for that 5-3 or that 5-3-5. Yep, this is tough to watch. I've held this trade since August 27th and it's difficult to see it close. It's a bit difficult to see it close, but it's part of the game. So expecting white wave 4 to end somewhere between here and here, and then I'll look for entries. So yeah, that's it for now.